Hello everyone, I have the best tip for sharing photos real fast on social medias, messaging, emails, things like that. You don't want to download the whole image and send a giant file to somebody, or if you are the type that constantly use the print screen button and paste it into Microsoft Paint or paint.net and then save it and then have to attach that to a Discord or instant messenger. All you have to do, say you find this photo like this, you want to share this with somebody, all you gotta do is hit your Windows key, type in snip. The snipping tool comes up right here. Just click that, opens it, and then, real importantly, so you can find it easier, go down to your bar down here, right click, and pin it to your taskbar. And just click new, and you just want this whole picture real quick. Just do this, frame it however you want, clips it right there, and then you can right click on the picture itself, hit copy, bring up your social messenger, Discord in this case as an example. We'll just paste it in there, hit upload, and it's right there. You don't have to worry about downloading anything. You don't have to worry about screenshotting your whole monitor and cropping that out, or sending your whole monitor with all this extra junk on there that just defeats the purpose. And if you wanted a smaller picture, all you have to do is click new, drag a box around it, clips it. You can copy that, paste it wherever you want. Or you can click up here, hit file, save as, and save it in the location that you need it saved to. This is just a huge savings of time for yourself and anyone you're trying to share photos or information with. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and have a good day.